Introduction to the IOT Weather Analyzer. In this part we are using 16:2 LCD display, LDR, smoke sensor, air quality sensor, and the DC11 which is measure the humidity and temperature, Arduino Uno board and Wi-Fi module. So this is a Wi-Fi module, and also using BMP 180 which is measure the pressure and altitude, and also using Arduino Uno board. And here we can see we are using one small DC fan which is measure the wind values, and also we are using track PCB. Using this track PCB we are equally dividing the power supply. So using this adapter we are providing the power supply. It will take 230 volts input from the this side, so it will take 230 volts AC, and it will be converted into 5 volts of DC. So in this adapter we have a rectifier, so which is converts the AC to DC, so it will up to give 5 volts of DC. So that 5 volts of DC will be given to this track PCB. So this track PCB equally divide the 5 volts power supply to these all components, because these components will be works on the 5 volts of power supply only. So now I am giving the power supply right now. So we can see in the LCD display it is showing the welcome to the project. So after that we can see it is showing the A speed, P means pressure and A means altitude, and also we can see speed, and now also we can see temperature, humidity and LDR values also. These values will be monitored in the ThinkSpeak also. I will show you how it will be works. And right now if we rotate this fan in anti-clockwise, so we can see normal speed is 18 by default. If we rotate this one, we can see the speed will be increased up to 61. So if I stop this one, by default it will be show as a 17. And this values also send it to the ThinkSpeak using this Wi-Fi model. Basically these values will be, the sensors values will be sent to this Arduino board. This Arduino board will be send the values to the LCD display. At the same time it will send a values to the Wi-Fi module. So this Wi-Fi module and the Arduino board are connected using UART protocol. So UART is nothing but a universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. Using that protocol, these two devices will be communicate each other. So we need to log in the ThinkSpeak. After the login our credentials, it will be interface like this. We need to go for the weather, and in this one we can see field 1 is solar, radiation, temperature and humidity, and air quality is for the fielder 4, and altitude, speed and pressure. So this is the previous values while we testing this project and making this project. So if you want to clear this data, just go for the channel settings, and the last one we can see clear the channel. So data will be cleared. Come back again. So we can see data will be start till now, date and time. So every 15 seconds it will be update the data. And now I am refreshing this data, but it's not giving any values because I doesn't share my internet to this Wi-Fi module. For that one we need to go for the hotspot settings. In this hotspot settings we need to set our hotspot name as a 6875. Then and also password should be 129. Then only our network will be shared with the Wi-Fi module. So right now here we can see one device is connected, which is ESP-A11B95. So this is the ESP number. So if sometimes ESP Wi-Fi module doesn't connect to our hotspot, even that time you need to reset this button, then it will be connected to our phone. Now ThinkSpeak will be update the data. If we refresh it, so we can see it is giving the data, because when I doesn't provide any internet to the Wi-Fi model, then it doesn't update the values on the website. If I provide the hotspot to this Wi-Fi model, then only it will be send the data to the ThinkSpeak. So we can see this is the data. So this is solar radiation, and this is the temperature, and the humidity, and air quality, and pressure, altitude, and the speed. So if I rotate this one, so you can see speed is increased. In the same way, altitude, pressure, and humidity, air quality, temperature, and solar radiation will be shown. And also, if you want to download this data, go to the data import and export and go to the download option. So this will be downloaded in a Excel sheet. Now open it. So we can see with the date, with the date and time, we can see the field 1, field 3, field 4, field 5, 6, 7 values. So in this way we can store the data in an Excel form, or we can download the data in an Excel form. It is shown only in Excel sheet only. So if you clear the channels, then the data will be erased. So better to don't clear the channels. If you want to clear the channels, first download the data, then only move to the clear the channel. So right now in this way it will be shown. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.